Guys, there are lots of cats over there. Cats 1, the dog, and there's the cat. 3 cats. And there is the Belgian Malinois who hate the cat. I'm trying to teach the dog how to ignore the cats. Hello! Good job. Hello. Hello. Come here. This is the dog who don't like the cat. So I'm teaching the dog how to like the cat. There's the cat, there's the dog. And there's the people walking. Let's go. Come.